Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to get Xbox audio through headset only. So to get Xbox audio through your headset only, follow these steps in order to get it done. So this actually works for all other Xbox series, starting from Xbox X/X or Xbox One, even Xbox series. So the first thing I have to do is to adjust the audio settings. So to do that, press the Xbox button on your controller to open the guide. Then go to Profile and System. Then select or click on Settings. Then from there, navigate to General. Then click on Volume and Audio Output. Then under the headset audio, adjust the following. Then from there, adjust the headset format to choose stereo, then uncompress to your preferred option. For example, you can use the headset chart mixer, which moves the slider fully to the right, and headset only to disable sound around TV and speaker. And that's a simple step-by-step guide on how you can get Xbox audio through your headset only. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more. Thank you.